Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about COREtec Grande. But before we get started, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's dive in. So before we get started, I wanted to show you the different size planks that come in a box. You'll have a 28-inch plank, you'll have a 55-inch plank, and of course the Grande 82-inch plank. And all of these are going to come with an attached cork backing, but what's different about Grande is that this cork backing is 3 millimeters thick versus their standard 1 millimeter attached pad. First off, let's talk about the specs. Grande is COREtec's biggest and thickest WPC plank on the market. It comes in a generous 9-inch wide plank with multiple lengths of 28 inches, 55 inches, and 82 inches, giving your space a grand and luxurious feel. It has a 30 mil wear layer, which gives you a commercial grade durability and performance, and it also has a thickness of 15 millimeters, that's over ½ an inch. To give you a better idea of how thick this flooring is, let's take a look at a standard LVP plank, which is typically 4 to 8 millimeters thick, and a standard 3/4 inch hardwood plank. As you can see, Grande is nearly as thick as hardwood, so if you want to, you can easily replace your hardwood floors with COREtec Grande. Next, let's check out some of the top features. Kids and pets? No problem. Say goodbye to worrying about spills, stains, and unexpected accidents. COREtec Grande is stain resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean thanks to its thick WPC core and UV acrylic finish. With its 3 millimeter attached cork underlayment, you'll enjoy a quiet and warm environment while reducing noise and blocking out the chills. As a matter of fact, with all COREtec Originals WPC styles, you get comfort with the thick WPC foamed core, providing that extra comfort for a softer step. You get warmth and quiet. Imagine your feet are warmer and a home with reduced noise. You get less fatigue. When standing for long periods of time, your joints will thank you. And stain resistance. Everyday spills and messes are no match for COREtec floors. Another great feature includes Embossed in Register technology, which is a fancy texturing technique that makes floors feel identical to true hardwood. And let's not forget about the enhanced bevels, the little spaces between the planks. Those have added dimension and overall realism. Grande is offered in 10 exquisite, realistic wood shades spanning from natural tones to grays and browns. Please note that certain colors may feature slight, moderate, or significant color variations. Now let's talk installation. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or you prefer to leave it to the pros, COREtec Grande can be installed on, above, or below grade as a floating floor or direct flue down. Remember that the long boards are thick and heavy, so having an extra set of hands or hiring a professional is recommended. As always, please follow the manufacturer installation instructions, which will be linked in the description of this video. So let's talk about sustainability. COREtec Grande is GreenGuard Certified, and it's designed with the well-being of people, pets, and the planet in mind, ensuring a smarter and better flooring option for your home. And for peace of mind, COREtec Grande comes with a lifetime residential limited wear warranty and a resilient WPC 10-year medium commercial limited warranty. So there you have it. If you're looking for a luxurious, durable, and eco-friendly flooring solution, look no further than COREtec Grande. Thank you for watching, and for more information, visit georgiacarpet.com or visit our showroom in Dalton, Georgia. See you next time.